You talking, Maya? You got something to say, Maya? Are you going to share some thoughts with us, huh?
Taking over our Claremont County near you. Yes!
Yeah. You got something you want to share with us, Maya? Huh? Are you laughing, pretty girl? Hey, who's that beautiful girl, Maya? Is that good? Is that good, Maya? You watching Uncle Tony or you watching us?
Brick, 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 brick. Blah, 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 blah.
You like having an audience?
Say yeah.
That's what she was hungry.
And she is very tired. She's been awake since 11. She was supposed to sleep until about 12. So she didn't get enough sleep, and she's been up
She's got
over 3 hours. Yeah, but she usually gets a snack at like 2:30. I was afraid she'd be too tired by 2:30, so
Oh.
do it now.
Oh, blah, 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 blah. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and
More
toes.
food down
Yes!
there. Go away. You're a food waster.
Mommy,
I'm not that bad of a food waster.
you're pretty bad.
Only at buffets. I figure it doesn't matter. I'm paying for it.
Yeah. Hey, who you calling, Maya? You calling me a
Buffets are awesome, Maya. You'll learn to love them.